Good morning, students. Today's topic, some uses of non-metal from the chapter metals and non-metals. So today I am going to introduce some of the non-metals and their uses in the daily life. The first one, oxygen. First one, oxygen. I hope all of you know the importance of oxygen in the life. It is essential gas in the life for the respiration. Almost all higher organisms are respire in the help of oxygen. It is very essential gas. Okay. And some of the aquatic animals and fishes are use the oxygen, dissolved oxygen for their respiration. And it is oxygen is helpful to combustion process also. Okay. More than some of the uses are given here. I will introduce to you the first one, liquid oxygen. Liquid oxygen is used as a rocket propellant. Liquid oxygen is used in rocket propellant. Okay. And next one, the mixture of acetylene and the oxygen and acetylene, it is used to produce the high flame. High flame is used to produce the high temperature flame. So that flame is called oxyacetylene flame. Okay. So this flame is used in the cutting and welding process. So high temperature flame is sending to one particular iron, otherwise the solid things what happen easy to break. That's why this is a high temperature flame, that's named oxyacetylene flame. Okay. And next use, it is the important compound. So the oxygen is also helpful to preparing some of the compounds like nitric acid and sulfuric acid for the industrial purpose. And next one, in the steel industry, there is pure oxygen used to remove the impurities. In the steel industries, the pure oxygen is used in the removing the impurities. These are the main uses of oxygen. Okay. And the next one, nitrogen. Nitrogen is also very important gas for the animals and the plants. So the plants is also using this nitrogen in the compounds of nitrogen compounds. That very helpful to preparing and building the plant proteins. As a result, what plants will grow easily. That's why nitrogen is a very important and essential gas in the plants and animals also. And next, some of the few uses is given here. The first one, it is used for manufacturing ammonia. The nitrogen, it is used for manufacturing ammonia and nitric acid for the manufacturing of fertilizers. Fertilizers is very important for the plant, for their better growing and their better yield. Okay. And next one, liquid nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen is used as a cooling agent in the refrigeration or refrigerator for cooling the substance. And next one, it's a non-reactive gas. Nitrogen is a non-reactive gas. That's why some of the packed food or canned food is used in the packed food. What happens? That food materials will keep long time. That's why in the packaged food is also filled in this gas. That's why it is unreactive. That's why that food is never spoil. Next one, nitrogen is used in the metal industry. Nitrogen is used in the metal industries for welding and the soldering of things. Soldering of some of the metals. So it is very important metal or gas for the soldering and the welding of some metals. That's why nitrogen is used in steel industries, otherwise metal industries. Okay. And the next non-metal, sulfur. Sulfur is soft and yellowish color. Soft and yellow in color. It's a solid at room temperature. Solid in nature. Okay. And it is a brittle. Easy to broken into pieces. That's a brittle in nature. And it is a very poor conductor of electricity. This is the basic nature of sulfur. And some few uses is here. It is used in raw material in the manufacturing of hydrochloric acid. Sorry, sulfuric acid. So it is a raw material. Which one? Sulfur is a raw materials in the manufacturing of sulfuric acid. Okay. And next one. It is used in the making paper, insecticides and fungicides. So which one? The sulfur is used in making paper, manufacturing of paper and fungicides and insecticides. And next one. So the sulfur, it is used in vulcanization of rubber. Vulcanization of rubber. So the vulcanized rubber is more durable and strong compared to the natural rubber. That's why sulfur is the agent to vulcanizing the rubber for the increasing the strength and durability. And next one, the sulfur powder. Sulfur powder is used as a fungicide. Sulfur powder used as a fungicide in skincare soap. In skincare soap and ointments. So some of the ointments we are using every day, no? And soap also. So it is also mixed in the sulfur powder. So sulfur powder acts as a fungicides that kill the fungus present in the body. That's why that some of the ointments and the soaps are already introduced the sulfur powder. And next one, it is used in the matches, gunpowder and fireworks due to its flammable nature. The sulfur is a flammable nature. That's why it is used in the manufacturing of matches, gunpowders and fireworks. Next one, phosphorus. And next non-metal phosphorus. Phosphorus is a reactive solid. Reactive solid. It exists in different color. Red phosphorus, white phosphorus and black phosphorus in nature. Okay. So it is not seen in the free state. It is not in the free state. Okay. So let's see some uses of the phosphorus. The first one, it is used in making smoke bombs. Smoke bombs. And used as a rat poison. Phosphorus is used as a rat poison and rat poison and smoke bombs. And next one, it is used for fireworks. It is used for fireworks used in phosphoric acid. And next use the manufacturing of the phosphoric acid in the fertilizer industries. And next one, the issues in the matches and the bullet traces. There are two types of the red phosphorus and the phosphorus trisulfide. These two are used in the manufacturing of matches and the bullet traces. Which of the phosphorus? First one, red phosphorus, and the next one, phosphorus trisulfide. The both are used in the manufacturing of matches and the bullet traces. And next one, and these are the main uses. These are the main uses of phosphorus and the sulfur. Okay. Next one, carbon. Carbon is the most important non-metal in the earth crust. That means almost all the compounds made in the carbon. For the graphite, diamond, and almost all the compounds are. Which one is better? Which one is useful for the human? Almost everything is made in the form of carbon. Okay, so that's why carbon is very essential for the human life. So there are few uses given here. The first one, the carbon is used in the form of graphite. Graphite is in the form of carbon. Okay, the purest form of carbon, that's a graphite. So this graphite is used as an electrolytic cell and dry cells. Dry cells. You know, for the dry cells, that means it It is very important. That means it is a good conductor of electricity and heat. That's why in dry cells and the electrolytic process, the graphite is used for the easy to transfer the light and electricity and heat. So the form of carbon, that's a graphite, is a good conductor. Easy to transfer, easy to convey, easy to transfer in the heat and electricity one place to another place. Okay, and next one, some of the lead pencil, no, is used in the lead, in the form of lead, the center one. It is also using for our daily purpose, daily life. And next one, the carbon in the form of diamond. Carbon in the form of diamond are used in making jewelry. It is a very purest form of carbon. That's a diamond. The diamond is also using for as a jewelries. The next one, coal and coke. Coal and coke are used as fuels. Coal, the form of carbon, and the coke is also form of carbon. These are used as a fuel. Okay. In some of the big industries, coal and coke is also used in the high yield production, high production of materials. That's why high coal and coke is used. And some of the human normal purpose also, coal is also used. And carbon black is used in making inks. Carbon black is used in the making ink on the carbon paper and typewriter ribbons. So for the manufacturing of the carbon or carbon black is used in the making ink, carbon paper and typewriter ribbons. So these are the basic uses of carbon in the daily life. So that's why almost the carbon is very useful for the human life in different ways. So we are every day also focusing, every day we are using these compounds of carbon. It's not directly using, and it's a formation. That means the compound is every day we are using us in different ways, like that jewelry or for the conducting purpose and for the pencil. Each and everything is also the form of carbon. These are the main uses. So I hope all of you understood this topic, the uses of some non-metals. Okay, it is a continuation of the last class. Some more non-metals now I am going to introduce to you and their uses. So today, first non-metal, hydrogen. Okay, so I hope all of you know that the importance of hydrogen in the life. So today I will give you more information regarding this hydrogen. So let's see that one. First of all, hydrogen is a colorless and odorless and flammable gas. What's it? Odorless, colorless and flammable gas. Okay. Flammable means catch the fire easily. So some of the characters, otherwise uses in daily life, otherwise in the life. Okay. See the first one. The hydrogen is used for manufacturing of hydrochloric acid, methanol and ammonia. Okay, so the hydrogen is an important factor for manufacturing of this type of things. For example, hydrochloric acid and ammonia and methanol. And next one, it is converted, means hydrogen is converted into vegetable oil to fats, vegetable oil to the fats by hydrogenation process. So hydrogenation process, so one of the catalyst is very important. What's the name of the catalyst? That's nickel. In the help of the nickel, the vegetable oil convert into the fats. So what's the name of the process? That's a hydrogenation. Okay. And next one, it is help to production of high temperature flame. The hydrogen is help to production of high temperature flame. Okay. So what's the name of the flame? Name oxy-hydrogen flame. This oxy-hydrogen flame helped to us in the cutting and the welding of metals. Cutting and welding of metals. Okay, that's the important use of oxy-hydrogen flame. And next one, it is also used for serve as a fuel in the future. Means in future we are using the hydrogen as a fuel, and it present the rocketing. The hydrogen, liquid hydrogen used as a fuel in rocketing. Okay, so maybe that's coming years and the future, the hydrogen is as a fuel for our purpose, our vehicles and some other sources. So these are the basic uses of hydrogen. And next one, next non-metal, that's a fluorine. Okay, so fluorine is a yellow gas at room temperature and irritating smell or irritating odor. Okay, two basic character. First one yellowish color and second one irritating smell producing. So the few uses of fluorine in the life. First one, the fluorine mainly used for the production of fluorides and fluorocarbons. Main production of fluorine is the fluoride formation and fluorides and fluorocarbons. Okay. And next one, this one of the fluorine compound is used for manufacturing the Teflon, means non-stick pans are coated with the Teflon. Teflon is one of the fluorine compound. And next one, sodium fluoride is added to the drinking water. Sodium fluoride to add to the drinking water to prevent the tooth decay. Which one? The sodium fluoride is also added to the drinking water to prevent the tooth decay, especially in the children's. And next one, the fluorine compounds. The fluorine compounds are used in the pharmaceutical and the agricultural field. So some of the fluorine compounds mainly used in the pharmaceuticals and the other agricultural fields. And next one, chlorine. Chlorine is one of the important non-metal. Chlorine is a toxic and greenish yellow gas. Okay. So the chlorine is mainly used for the disinfectant for the drinking water and the swimming pool. So what happened? The use of chlorine is kill the germs present in the water bodies. As a result, that become pure. Okay, only limited quantities want to use. That's why chlorine is a disinfectant. And next one, it is act as a bleaching agent in paper and textile industry. Bleaching agent in paper and textile industries. And next one, it is used in the antiseptic. Which one? The chlorine is used in antiseptic and dye stuffs and pesticides and synthetic rubber. So these are uses of chlorine. Next one, it is used to prepare PVC. PVC means polyvinyl chloride. Okay. For the pipe formation or pipe preparation or manufacturing of pipes, that chlorine is a major and important factor and compound. Okay, and it is used to manufacture hydrochloric acid. The chlorine is also used for manufacturing the hydrochloric acid also. These are the basic uses of chlorine. And the next important non-metal, that is iodine. Okay, the iodine, it is a dark grain color and crystalline solid at room temperature. It is a metallic luster. What is meant by metallic luster? Luster means it's a shiny substance, and it is going to heat. What happen? That iodine convert into gas state directly. That is called sublimation. It heated to sublimes. Okay. Next one, the main uses of the iodine. First one, it is used to make iodized salt. Iodine is used to iodized salt. That means the iodized salt help to prevent the goiter. Iodine deficiency, that is a goiter. So this iodized salt help to prevent the goiter. And next one, it is used as a disinfectant and antiseptic. Iodine is used for preparing the antiseptic and disinfectant. And next one, iodine compounds. Iodine compounds are used in photographic chemicals. Photographic chemicals. Which one? Iodine is used in photographic chemicals. And next one, it is also used in the production of dyes. Iodine is also help to the production of dyes. So these are the main uses of iodine. So it is a very helpful for the humans in different ways. So I hope all of you understood the topic, some common uses of non-metals. So I am going to conclude this topic. Okay, thank you.